In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly check if you are getting a tax refund this year using a free tool inside TurboTax. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the website TurboTax, then head over to this section, Tax Calculator. Now click on the option Calculate My Refund. Now you will find the tax refund estimator that helps you predict your tax outcome in just a few simple steps. You'll be asked to enter some basic information about yourself, such as personal details and filing status. After that, you simply input your estimated income for the current tax year. Once you save the information, the calculator will instantly update and show you an estimated refund or tax amount. The best part is that you can also run different scenarios, like getting married, having a child, or buying a home, to see how your tax situation might change. This helps you plan better and make smarter financial decisions throughout the year. So overall, this free tool inside TurboTax makes it super easy to understand your tax situation and estimate your refund before you even file. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.